Alright, so this is an outdoor antenna for Peplink. Usually be pole mounted. It's also made to, it could work like, say, a rooftop. This will extend the signal to a place where it can actually get signal, because a lot of times these will be installed inside of a rack, which really doesn't have any, it's basically a Faraday cage, so it won't let any radiation in or out. This is the Peplink Max BR1 Pro, so this one is their 5G device. So this is really good for mobile applications, IoT, and it's a really good kind of all-rounder. So anywhere you need 5G, this will really work. And it's ruggedized, so industrial applications are pretty good. This one is their LTE device, and so it'll work in places where you don't need the 5G, but it's like wireless backup, things like that. They've also got a POTS adapter, which will let you change essentially any plain analog telephone into a voice over IP connection on the other side. So for people that have old analog telephone lines, say alarms, things like that, that they just don't want to move to voice over IP yet, they can use these adapters to do it in a lot more cost-effective manner. Then we've got our branch adapter here, or branch appliance here. So this is usually going to go in a rack, or this would be good for like a small office, home office kind of use. So this would be really good for like remote employees that need internet access and a connection back to the home office. So it helps with things like where you'd usually use traditional VPN, but it simplifies the setup a lot. This is the indoor antenna. So this one is omnidirectional as well, but it's usually wall mounted. So this would be really good for scenarios like where you installed something in a rack and you don't necessarily need to get an antenna out on the roof like the first model that we looked at. This one could go just, say, above and behind the rack just to get it outside. So it'll improve the signal indoors.